Check there with Warner and Kelsey at the pylon on that previous pass.
I thought it was a good no call. There was contact on both sides, both players initiating contact, and the officials did a good job. No restriction either way. A good non-call there.
Blandino, thank you. Butker has tied the most field goals made by one player in a Super Bowl. He's kicked a 28-yarder, a Super Bowl record 57-yarder from 24 and 29. And that 29-yarder just tied up Super Bowl 58. I think the crowd is in disbelief. And we said going to the fourth, we're going to see fireworks, and man, have we. Kickoff, Butker, Chiefs, out of the end zone, to our right. It will be after 25 and a touchback for the Niners and 3 seconds remaining in regulation. It looks like we're going to overtime.
It sure does. Man, not a very well-played game for the most part, but man, down the stretch, both teams have done exactly what they need to do offensively to give themselves a chance in overtime.
Well, how big is that block extra point coming up now? As the Niners are going to crowd around their quarterback on a 1st and 10 from the 25. The clock will go to 0. It expires. And we are smack dab in the middle of overtime here in the Super Bowl. This is the second Super Bowl to go to overtime. We're here tied at 19 apiece. Remember, Super Bowl 51, the Patriots who trailed 28-3 came back to beat Atlanta in overtime, 34-28. Dean Blandino, let's walk through this overtime process.
So the rule changed now. Both teams must have an opportunity to possess the football. So even if the team getting the football to start goes down and scores a touchdown, the other team would have an opportunity to possess the football. A field goal doesn't end it on the first possession. The only thing that would end it on the first possession would be a defensive score.
Dean, thank you very much. They will go to midfield and they will go over the rules with our referee, Bill Vinovich, his 3rd Super Bowl as the referee. As Mahomes will represent the Chiefs. Warner. Good night.
Great job, gentlemen. We're going to play overtime. Playoff overtime, we're going to start a new game. All replays are upstairs. Everybody will have 3 timeouts. Right? Both teams will have an opportunity to score, or opportunity to possess, unless the first team possesses a defensive score. All right, any questions? San Francisco, you are still the visitors. What is your call? He called tails again. It is tails. You want the ball. Which way do you want to kick? San Francisco, we're seeing first overtime. Good luck, gentlemen.